Okay, so we'll put half of the code to the editor and the other half will be for the preview. So the main HTML file which is being displayed here is this app component.html, and we see welcome to, and then title, and then the image, and then we have all the links here. Interesting is that if we remove information from here and save, we see that everything is updated automatically. So this compilation starts, runs, and updates the information and refreshes our server. Then we have a CSS file which is empty with the same name, and this is our component. It's a main structure of code in Angular. So we can create multiple components, and we can have nested components, one into each other. Components can communicate between each other, and actually we also have app_component.ts file. And .ts is the TypeScript file. TypeScript is very similar to JavaScript. We will write our application in TypeScript, and then they will be compiled into JavaScript from Angular. So we see here that the title is app, and it's a local variable, and from this app_component.ts it has been used here, and it is displayed by using double curly braces. So we can change the title to, let's say, hello, and save, and we see that we changed the variable and it's displayed again from our template. Inside of this app component we are importing the component from Angular core. So this way we are taking specific functions out of whole libraries, and then we are setting up this component here, and we are setting up the CSS styles file and the HTML file for the template, and then we say that app_root will be the tag which will be running our application. This means that the moment we are in the index.html file, when we see the title and other properties of our main application, we have one special tag, app_root. So we type this app_root tag in order to automatically start our component. And if we change the selector tag to, let's say, something like test, we see that our application will not start because Angular couldn't find this tag. But the moment we change the main tag here also to test and save, we see that the application will start like before. So this is the starting tag, and you can change it to whatever you like. App component actually is one of the default components which are installed by Angular CLI. And app component is being used by app module, and we'll see this connection right now. So in app module, again, we have several imports from the beginning. One of them is actually our app component. So app module loads up this app component and all its dependencies and inner workings. It declares it and starts it. So it is providing it to its bootstrap routine. And if we go a little bit deeper and try to find what is this bootstrap, we can actually go to the main.ts file. And again, we see the same structure. First some imports, and then we start this procedure platform browser dynamic bootstrap module, and we provide the app module. So everything starts from this app module. All this may seem complicated, but for now you don't have to worry much about the inner workings, and we'll start by just modifying the app component HTML and CSS directives for now.